Today we're taking my very neutral gray and white kitchen and giving it pops of yellow with lemon crafts that we'll put together. I even have a super easy lemon trifle that not only decorates our space but tastes delicious too. Keep watching if you want lots of ideas to lemonize your kitchen this spring. Since this is a whole room makeover with a lemon theme, let's start by taking a look at the space we're working with. I like things elegant and classy, so I want to incorporate the lemon theme without going overboard, and I'll show you just how to do that. This is my living room, and you can see all of the kitchen from here, and you can also see the dinette area, so I think we'll want to put a few pops of yellow on that table as well. Bugatti wants to say hello here. He wanted me to point out that his coat is gray and white, so he already fits in perfectly with our neutral home decor. And those little green eyes are his handsome pops of color. So in my home office over here, I keep all my current haul stash. Let me show you what I just picked up from Target, Dollar Tree, and Joann's over the weekend. Is this bicycle not the cutest? I found it for $5 in the Target dollar spot and I could not resist it. This large package of fake lemons is from Target and it was $10. I found this cupcake holder at my Dollar Tree. It's metal and it looks pretty sturdy, and I think this will decorate the dinette table nicely. I was thinking of Easter crafts for my next video, and I found this cross at Dollar Tree. I did religious Easter crafts last year, and you guys really seemed to like those, so I'll be doing a few more of those this year. I have a bunch of yellow tulips, but I wanted a few smaller yellow flowers to go with our lemon decor. These wreath rings came in a set of 2 and they are really small, which is perfect because I want to hang these wreaths on the kitchen cabinets, but I don't want them getting in the way by being too big. And then I got these artist palettes. And I want to use one of these pans for a sign. I love these stove covers for DIY signs because they are metal, so they hold up really well. Then I went to Joann's and I picked up some of these 3-dimensional letter stickers. I love the font on these and the gold looks so dressy. A few more lemons, slightly smaller than the Target ones. And then these lemon slices are really cute too. And then 2 large burlap ribbons to use on our small wreaths. I'm excited to see this cupcake stand, so let's start with that. Okay, not the best quality. The circle is a little off at the top and there are a few dings and nicks in the paint. This was only $5 and I want to paint it a cream color, so hopefully that spray paint will hide all the dings. Here it is after a couple coats of spray paint, and I'm really happy with the look. Let's make a couple things to decorate our cake stand. You can find glass jars like this at Dollar Tree. I'm going to fill this one with yellow pom-poms and then add a little sign on it that says lemons. This will be really cute on our tiered tray. Today I'm co-hosting my friend's collab called Room by Room Challenge. Freckled Mom DIY does amazing crafts over on her channel, so make sure to check her out. The playlist theme is Spring Fling, so you'll see a bunch of other YouTubers sharing their spaces with a spring theme. And I will put that playlist in the description box below so you can get lots more ideas for spring decorating over there. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I love sharing ways to get artsy crafty. If you're not already part of this creative community, then make sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll know when I post new inspiration to decorate your home. I have this wooden sign and I'm going to paint it with some white chalk paint, and then I'm going to glue one of those lemon slices on the front. This white jar was originally clear glass, but I had painted it white already, and I'm going to add some yellow tulips and a lemon slice on the front. When you're decorating a tiered tray, it's helpful to have objects of varying heights to add interest to the layout. I ended up adding some ribbon around that wooden frame, and then I used a few sprigs of greenery to break up the lemons and other decor on our tray. Now let's work on filling up the bicycle basket. I cannot get over how cute this is. I think I could put anything in here and it would look adorable. Now for the cabinets on either side of the stovetop. I think a wreath would really dress up the center of these cabinets. I started by using some floral wire to connect the burlap ribbon to the wire floral ring. I want to make sure the wire is well covered, so I folded the ribbon in half to thicken it and then wrapped this around the ring. I also like how the folded ribbon made it thicker, so it made the wreath feel more substantial. When I got to the end, I glued the ribbon on the back and trimmed off any excess ribbon. Then I decorated the top and added a thick piece of ribbon so we can hang this on the cabinet door. I wanted these to match, so I looked at the first one I made while decorating the second one just to make sure they were pretty close in design. I'll be using a hook on the inside of my cabinets, and with a hole cut in the ribbon, you can hang these on the inside of the cabinet door for a clean look on the outside. I thought something in the middle of the backsplash here would be a nice touch. So let's use the pizza pan and transform it into a lemon-themed sign. I got this pizza pan for $1 at Dollar Tree. I made two different signs, but I think I'm going to go with this one with the words. The paper doesn't go to the edge, but that's okay because we'll be using this Dollar Tree rope to line the edges. I think those lemon slices look perfect on the sign. I'll be using some command hooks on the back to hang this because those can easily be pulled off without damaging the backsplash. Cupcakes or any kind of dessert can really dress up a space and make it feel festive. This lemon trifle would be fun for any spring evening or a lemon-themed party. So let me show you how quick and easy this lemon trifle is to put together. I actually picked up this trifle bowl from Target for my Valentine's Day centerpiece, and I've been wanting to make a trifle ever since I got it, so we are christening my trifle bowl today. The ingredients for the perfect trifle are pound cake or angel food cake, pudding, and whipped cream. You could also add crumbled shortbread, cookies, and really mix up the flavors to your liking. You could use graham crackers or Nilla wafers. I'm going to use vanilla and lemon flavors here, and then I'll decorate the top with fresh lemons to tie in our lemon theme. Now, I've done table decor featuring lemons before. I did a tablescape for Mother's Day last year using lemons and navy blue and white stripes. I've also done yellow home decor crafts, so I'll make sure to link all those videos for you too, because yellow and lemons are so fun for spring and they can really cheer a space up. If you got a few ideas from my video today, I would really appreciate a like and also a subscribe from you, because I have so much more coming up. And don't forget to check out that playlist link so you can see more spring ideas from all my friends. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye!